Hi, I'm Sarabjeet Singh, and I'll be talking about our work Hyena. Hyena is a work towards practical privacy preserving inference. Hyena is based on homomorphic encryption, which is a cryptographic tool that allows compute over encrypted data. Hence, homomorphic encryption is a vital tool in realizing sensitive applications like medical imaging, genomics, compute outsourcing, etc. However, practical adoption of homomorphic encryption has been limited by its performance and complexity. Homomorphic encryption works with large degree polynomials, which are in megabytes of size, leading to significant memory accesses and hence poor performance. Additionally, modular arithmetic over large finite fields and complex operations like domain transformations and automorphism make this tool extremely difficult to implement. As a result, researchers have seen many orders of slowdown in private inference as compared to an unencrypted one. Packing is a widely adopted mechanism to elevate the cost of large polynomials. Instead of encrypting a single value, a vector of values are packed into the slots of polynomial, hence elevating the cost of single cipher operation. However, in real applications, these slots might need to be rotated in order to fully exploit them. As you can see from this picture representation, the colors or the slots have moved. Rotations are expensive since they require additional metadata called keys to perform key switching, and these keys are in megabytes of size. Moreover, a non-cyclic permutation of slots requires a series of many such cyclic rotations and hence is even more expensive. In this work, we target homomorphic encryption-based convolution neural networks. We identify these rotations as the major performance bottleneck in encrypted inference. A typical convolution looks something like this. Each output pixel is being generated by a convolution of input weights and inputs along the input channels. Similar colors are multiplied and the result across colors are added to generate one single complete output feature map, which is represented by the red output pixel here. A few things change when performed with encrypted ciphers. First, inputs can be bashed together into polynomial slots using packing, as we saw that from a previous slide. Second, the multiply accumulate step now has an additional step called rotation to fully able to accumulate things. On the left, I'm presenting one way to pack multiple inputs together. This example strategy packs all inputs that are required to complete one output pixel. This packing is very intuitive. However, it requires many rotations per multiplication, which is bad. In fact, after each multiplication, it requires n rotations or n minus 1 rotations, which is a huge cost. One other strategy, which I present on the right, attempts to achieve almost zero rotations. However, such packing is also inefficient as it underutilizes the polynomial slots, leading to ineffectual computations, which can be seen from these white boxes over here. Both these strategies have been explored in prior work. In fact, the left packing is called channel packing and the right packing is called Lola packing. Both these work try to come up with optimizing one certain thing, either slot utilization or rotation. Managing this trade-off between slot utilization and rotation is the target of our work. We present Hyena, a packing and data flow for private CNN inference. The key objectives while designing Hyena are listed on the left. These are to first maximize slot utilization. If by maximize slot utilization, we make sure that the total number of ciphers that we're working with is lower. Hence, the working set and memory activity is smaller. Second, to minimize rotation. As we learned, rotation are expensive because of expensive key switching operations. Hence, we would like to minimize them. More importantly, we would like to minimize the permute type of rotations. As we remember, permute type rotations require many cyclic rotations and hence many key switching operations. Lastly, to maximize on-chip reuse. We start by packing a single face of weight and its corresponding face in input feature map. The output of this multiplication contributes to the first output pixel's partial sum, which is highlighted by the dark red over here. Next, we pack the neighboring non-overlapping face in input feature map polynomial, which is highlighted by the blue color here. Instead of packing the same weight, we pack a different weight face from a different output channel, which is the brown weight here. By doing this, we generate output pixel across different output channels, which is represented by the brown output feature map here. This avoids redundant packing, weight packing, similar to Lola packing, hence improving slot utilization. Once we exhaust input faces or output channels, we go across input channels of the same weight values, which is represented by the lighter colors here. These products accumulate to the same output feature map since input channels are added together. So this highlights Hyena's packing strategy. It is complemented by a data flow that fully exploits the slots with minimum rotations. So far, we have only talked about a single multiplication, and let's talk about what happens next. First, we reorder these slots so that the rotations required to accumulate partial sums are only cyclic. Next, using the same input features and weight polynomials, we can generate different output pixels by rotating our weight polynomial across different output feature maps. Notice the color change in the weight polynomial here. This has generated new colors in output feature maps as well. This allows us to reuse the same operands to generate results across many output channels, hence minimizing the off-chip movement. When we go across all our input channels, all the results accumulate to complete the same output pixels. Notice how after step B, we don't immediately rotated all our output partial sums and added the similar colors. Instead, we perform this rotation assisted partial sum accumulation only after we have added across all separately packed input channels. By delaying this rotation, we have reduced rotation calls by a factor of almost the input channel count. Next, we complete the output pixels by going over all output channels. We reuse the input features to generate new combinations using permute type rotations. And finally, we perform these operations for all output pixels. Overall, the key strategies that have gone into this packing and data flow are: first, carefully tailored slot packing that helps us convert permutes to shift rotates and hence maximizing slot utilization. Second, a data flow that delays partial sum accumulation until all input channels have been added. This allows us to reduce rotation counts. Lastly, generating new inputs using the already on-chip cached inputs. This minimizes memory activity. So we evaluate Hyena on an ASIC designed to run ResNet 50, MobileNet, and GNMT models. We employ a hybrid strategy where MPC is used to preserve model privacy while the client performs the non-linear layers. More importantly, We have released a tool for community to explore novel packing, data flow strategies, and hardware designs for private inference. This tool is currently public on GitHub and is termed as HE-PackSim. More details about how we modeled prior baseline packings and architectural implementations is presenting in our full paper. So moving on to the evaluation results. On the top, we present rotation call counts, and on below, we present data footprint in gigabytes. The rotation count is distributed to permutes and cyclic shifts. We have compared with baselines Lola pack, channel pack, and C2PC pack. We note that compared to the baselines, we had a very small count of rotations and data footprint. In fact, Hyena has almost zero permute type rotations and at least 10 times lower memory activity than the other packings. This is mainly due to our efficiently packed and efficiently managed data, slots using data flow. As a result, our encrypted latencies are in tens to hundreds of milliseconds only, which is at least 2x faster than the best baseline and way more energy efficient. This is represented by the two graphs here. The left-hand side represents the inference latency across different benchmarks. The right-hand side graph is a stacked graph that demonstrates the distribution of energy consumption by each hardware component. As noticed from the previous slide, the high data footprint of prior packing have led them to high memory accesses, which is also represented by the blue bar in the right figure. Overall, carefully tailored slots and well-managed data flow has allowed Hyena to reduce both compute and data movement cost. With that, I would like to conclude my presentation. In conclusion, we demonstrate a practical encrypted inference solution. We identify rotation as the key bottleneck. We explore various packing and data flow strategies. We finally publish an open source tool called HE-PackSim for more exploratory studies. For more information about this work, please refer to our full paper in IEEE Symposium. Thank you.